Hello, in this video I'm gonna explain what to do if your MSI Thin A15 freezes. If it freezes, then there are a few possible fixes for that, and the first one which you should do to make sure whether or not your laptop is fully freezed or just an app that you're using is freezed is click on Ctrl, Alt and Delete key at the same time. So that's what I'm gonna click on now. And if it gets to that screen, then probably you'll be good. You can just go to Task Manager. Then select the app that has frozen. You can right click on it and click on End Task. Then it'll close that app and you most probably will be able to use your laptop. If it still doesn't help, then another thing that you may do is in the Task Manager, while we're still here, you can find Windows Explorer, right click on it and click on Restart. Then try using your laptop again. Of course, if you cannot open Task Manager, then I'm gonna talk about it now. Because if this method didn't help you or you cannot open Task Manager, then what you should do is try pressing and holding on the power button, but be aware that if you do that, you will lose all not saved data. So if you're working on something and didn't save it, then it'll be lost. But unfortunately, there's no other solution for that, so you just need to do that. I'm gonna press and hold until the screen goes off. Now the laptop is fully off. In a moment, I'm gonna explain what to do if it isn't fully off after pressing and holding, which is a very rare case, but sometimes it happens. Now I'm gonna turn it on by quickly pressing on the power button, and it should be working again. And then let's go to the rare case of it not turning off even after pressing and holding for like 15 seconds or so. So if that occurs, then you unfortunately just need to leave your laptop unplugged from the charger until it fully discharges. Because if you cannot turn it off, then you need to force it to discharge and turn off because it has no power. It is really rare, but this is how it is. This laptop also has a few hour battery life, so sometimes you may need to wait for like 4 or 5 hours for it to turn off, and then you can plug it back in and turn it on after it turns off. But this is really rare, how I said. Sometimes it'll be faster to just wait half an hour and turn it off. Maybe then it'll work. But if it doesn't, then you need to unplug it and wait. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.